Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the use of data for research on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on the Me button at the top. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then go to the left side column of the screen and tap on Data Privacy. Go to the bottom of this How LinkedIn Uses Your Data section and click on Social, Economic and Workplace Research. And if you would like to disable this Use Data for Research feature, you should tap on the On button on the right side of the screen. So third-party partners won't get your data about your social, economic and workplace research. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.